Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In case you're seeing my face first time, my name is Shana and I make videos about lifestyle, hair and beauty. So in today's video, I'm going to talking about the lipsticks. Lipstick is the most commonly viewed today as a fashion accessory that can help you better achieve your preferred look and enhance your appearance. Personally, I really like wearing lipstick, but it starts fading and comes off when you eat or drink, and most of lipstick spread out or removed within a 1 hour, which I really don't like. But now I have found a solution for my problems. One of my friends recommended me this Maybelline New York Superstay matte ink liquid lipstick, and I'm really impressed by its ability. It's a revolutionary product and it's transfer-proof, smudge-proof and waterproof and lasts up to 16 hours, and it's available in 20 plus different shades. Now let me show you my 3 favorite shades. So this first shade is 80 Ruler. Now the second shade is 230 Transformer. And this last one is my everyday shade 15 Lover. Now I'm going to get ready following my simple everyday makeup routine. I use this Maybelline New York Superstay matte ink liquid lipstick in 3 ways. It's really amazing that you can use this product in 3 ways. I use it on my lips, cheeks and eyes. And this liquid lipstick has very smooth texture. And today I'm using the shade number 15 Lover. So firstly I'm applying this matte ink liquid lipstick on my lips. And for my eyes, firstly I apply lipstick on my lid with the applicator. And then I like to blend out with a brush, like this. And for the cheeks I use brush. Firstly I take a little bit lipstick on the brush and then I gently apply on my cheeks like this. So this is the look I create using this Maybelline New York Superstay matte ink liquid lipstick. It looks very smooth and pretty and it blends really well on the eyes. And this liquid lipstick lasts up to 16 hours, so you can wear it all day worryless. And it's 8 AM right now. So now I'm gonna do my daily activities and gonna test out this liquid lipstick. First I'm gonna do some workout, because I think this is the best way to test out this liquid lipstick, because most of the lipstick easily spread out or smudge out. Okay, so now let's see. It doesn't smudge out or spread out, it looks completely fine, which means this liquid lipstick is smudge proof. Now let's spray some water on the face and wipe with a napkin. So you can see there is no lipstick on the napkin, which means this liquid lipstick is waterproof. So now let's drink something from the glass. So as you can see, there is no lipstick on the glass. It looks completely clear from the top. That means this liquid lipstick is transfer proof. As I showed you earlier that this liquid lipstick is transfer proof, smudge proof and waterproof. So if you're office or college going person, then this liquid lipstick will help you with so many things, because it does not spread out or smudge out while working, drinking or eating. So now as you can see, it's dark outside and it's 12 AM right now, and this liquid lipstick looks the same. It doesn't transfer or smudge at all, which means this liquid lipstick stays 16 hours. Plus it doesn't dry out or crease out my lips, which I really like about this liquid lipstick. It has long lasting formula, it stays up to 16 hours. And this is my favorite liquid lipstick, it stays all day, so you can go on with your day without worrying. And also you can use this liquid lipstick on your eyes as eyeshadow or on your cheeks as a blush. It's available in 20 plus shades. So try out this Maybelline New York Superstay matte ink liquid lipstick and share your experience with me in comment section or on other social media platforms, and purchase links I will leave in description box below, so check out that. And I hope this video will help you and hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.